Hello everybody, welcome to AccuHealth NJ. I get a lot of questions in my practice about health, so today we're going to go over the 5th grade Bio Guide to Health. Okay, so we talked about in a previous video about the philosophy of acupuncture where humans are a microcosm within a macrocosm. And what that basically means is that we're not just one individual human being, we are a conglomeration of trillions upon trillions of cells that make us function. And now we're finding out that not only that, we also have some friends along, the human microbiome, which we have an intimate relationship between the bacteria in our body and our cells. So think of it as like a superorganism. The single most important thing for a living organism is breathing. Why is it important? Because we take oxygen in for the atmosphere, not for us, but for all our cells. Oxygen is a critical component for energy production in the cell, and it's what sustains us, okay? So deep breathing is very important. Next time somebody tells you to take 10 deep breaths, it's not because they're patronizing you, it's because the actual breathing slows your heart rate down. So next time you're huffing and puffing when you're stressed out, take 10 deep breaths. The next step is food. Food is important, not for us individually, but to sustain the health of our cells. Why is food important? Your food should be nutrient dense and calorie poor, and that usually means plant-based, okay? So, fruits and vegetables, not starches and sugars, okay? Fats are important too, not only because they're a source of energy, but because they form the outer layer of your cells. Again, living organisms that are important. A lot of people are pushing protein, but unless you're a bodybuilder, just get the daily allowance. And finally, plants are very important because the fiber that we get from the plants that we don't digest is actually food for the bacteria in your gut. Last but not least, water. Water is important because water is the backdrop where the energy is produced, where the oxygen and the carbs from your food meet in the cells and produce energy. Remember, the transfer of electrons in chemical reactions happen in an aqueous state, and water is the platform. Okay, Michael Pollan put it together beautifully. Take a couple seconds, rewind the video. I'll be here waiting for you. Okay, so great quote, right? All right, in today's society where everything's fast-paced, mass-produced, comes out of a box store, take some time to think. Next time you take a bite, you're not just eating for yourself. You're eating for trillions of organisms on top of trillions and trillions of bacteria that live with us in the human microbiome. A super organism. It's not just about you anymore. Okay, so at this point we've outgrown some of the 5th grade stuff like ice cream for dinner, but the 5th grade science still sticks. So remember, subscribe, check out the videos, follow us on social media at AccuHealth NJ, and all the information you need to know is down there. See you later.